Hi everyone and welcome to Fresh from My Garden. Today we are transplanting some of the chili pepper plants and the tomato seedlings that have been growing in seed trays. As I had shared in previous videos, I have a lot of the seedlings growing and some of them are ready for transplant. So here I have some garden soil mixed with some coco peat and vermicompost that I am going to be adding to these small containers. I already have some tomato seedlings growing in small containers, and these were the ones in which I had sowed single seeds, and there is a tray here in which I had sown a lot of seeds, and some of them are ready for transplant. So, when we are removing these tomato or any other seedlings from seed trays, be careful how we remove it. They need to be removed from the root and not by using the stem of the plant. So, we are easing these plants out at the base using a popsicle stick or our fingers and removing them from the bottom without pulling them from the stem because that will damage the stem of the plant. And when transferring these tomato plants into containers, remove the first set of leaves, which are not the true leaves of the plant, and plant them as deep as possible so that it can help generate more roots and help the plant develop a strong stem and strong roots. Now, what I'm doing here is the first round of transplanting where I am removing these seedlings from the seed tray and removing the first set of leaves and planting them into single containers. Once these plants are about 1 to 1.5 foot tall, they are ready to be transplanted into the ground or into bigger containers. These plants are just a few inches tall now and they are not ready to be transplanted directly into the ground. So I will be letting them grow in this container for a few more weeks before the stem is strong and they are ready for transplant into bigger containers or into the ground. After transplanting these seedlings, another important thing to keep in mind is they should be placed in a shaded location for at least 2 to 3 days so that these plants can get adjusted to the new container and new atmosphere. And also, don't forget to water these plants thoroughly. Watering these plants immediately after transplanting will reduce the transplanting shock and also help these plants get adjusted. And just like I planted the tomato seedlings, I'm also transferring many of the chili pepper seedlings that I grew from the dried chilies in my kitchen. Some of them are ready for transplant, so the bigger ones that are more than 5 to 6 inches tall and have two sets of leaves can be transplanted into small containers. So, just like I did with the tomato seedlings, these plants will also be eased out using a popsicle stick from the base so that the stems are not damaged. The stems are very weak at this stage of the seedling and they can cause breakage or they can get detached from the roots if they are directly pulled at the stem. Since I don't have a lot of pots ready, I am just going to be transplanting two seedlings per pot. And once these grow bigger, I will be transplanting them into the ground or into bigger containers or grow bags. So, with both the tomato and the chili pepper plants, I have not transplanted all the seedlings that were growing in seed trays because only some of them were ready for transplant. The others are still continuing to grow in the seed tray until they are big enough to be transplanted. And now, since the bigger seedlings are being removed from the seed tray, the smaller ones will have more space to expand its roots and grow bigger. And this way, we will also have a succession crop and have lots of tomatoes and peppers until the end of the season. One more thing to keep in mind when transplanting seedlings is to do them either in the morning or in the evenings and not during the midday when temperatures are high. We usually transplant during the evenings, and since the temperatures are cooler during the evenings, it reduces transplant shock. So, I hope you found some useful tips that will be helpful when you are transplanting seedlings in your garden. Please do subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and videos. Thanks for watching Fresh from My Garden.